Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we can apply this one for this one, and we have like this. So capital A, that is about s over number 2. Capital B, that is about 3s. So we calculate this one and this one, and we have negative 5 over 2s. This one we have 7 over 2s. So we have the second formula in here. So this one, that is about this one. We can transform this one into this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have number 1 over 5 over 2 sine of 5 over 2s. And the second one, we have 1 over 7 over 2 sine of 7 over 2s, and I will put about c. So this one, that is about 2 over 5. This one, that is about 2 over 7. And now 1 over 2 multiplied by this one and this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.